everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this palette that I got for a gift. It's the Harley Quinn and the Skull Bags eyeshadow palette. What a name. It's a little different than the usual typical Harley Quinn style, and inside there's some like really nice eyeshadow shades. I'm hoping that they're going to be really good. Super excited to try it out, like for real. I have my Harley Quinn gear on right now, so I'm stoked for this. So let's get into trying out the palette, doing some swatches outside so that way you can see what it actually looks like. And we're going to do a little eyeshadow tutorial along with it, so we're going to have some fun. So let's get into it, shall we? Good morning. Look at that beautiful sunrise. I'm out here and I'm going to show you some of the swatches from the Harley Quinn palette. I'm going to open up this brand new palette here, and there's a lot of browns, and I'm kind of concerned about that because I'm not really a fan of brown shades. There's a lot of warm tones. I'm like, I don't know. A little problem I have is with this brush right here that comes with, it's kind of falling apart. Oh, right here in the edging. Well, it looked like it was falling apart. There's no names for these shades, so it's just basic color scheme. This is a black gray shade, and that's what it looks like. Not very dark at all. I'm sorry that I'm shaking a little bit. It's like really cold out. I wanted to do an honest swatch outside in the daylight. So I'm going to dive into this blue one right here, hoping that'll be okay. I have a lot of colors, so it better be good. Kind of light. I think these are all going to be super light, as you can see. Purple one right here. There's a lot of fallout with these. I guess that one is like a maroon sort of shade. It's okay. I was looking forward to the blue and green one, and the green one's right here. Not very pigmented. The blue one seems to have the best pigment so far. The green, it's a little bit light. Here's this orangish red tone. I'm going to put this one right here. If you have eye creases, it will really show, or any sort of hair, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. It'll expose every little crease that you have. That's just fantastic and fun. Here's this gray one. Very super light. Not a fan of that one already. There's a brown one, like a maroon. I call that maroon. I don't know what this is called. A brown shade. A lot of fallout. It's very thin, like it just shows every single little detail on your eyelid. I don't know if I would want that. So much fallout. Here's this white shade, a bone shadow shade. Well, we have some sort of pigment here. I guess the blue and the white are the best. They show up really quickly. A lot of fallout. It's like snow. The last one right here is, which is sort of like a burgundy, I guess, sort of shade. Right here. Oh, that one's pigmented too. But it's very sheer. All of these are really sheer. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Right now, for the verdict of this palette, I'm not a super fan. I will definitely have to try it on my eyes, because on my arm, I know I have hair, but like if you have eyebrow hair that you didn't tweeze out, that would be an issue. I will have to try this out and see. For right now, it's kind of iffy. I'm not really feeling this palette a lot, just based off the color scheme and how the swatches are turning out. It's just a little bit iffy. I'm going to get started with the priming of my eyes. I'm going to use this lovely Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer. This stuff is really, really good. A little bit goes a long way, obviously. This lasted me forever. I need to get some more. That is sad but true. I'm just gonna dab it a little bit over my eyelid here. Full coverage. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. Oh, I put a lot on. Oh well. A little bit goes a long way. Have any of you used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer? This stuff is like liquid gold, I swear. I love it so much. I'm actually super obsessed with it. And you know what? I got this for free. It was a sample. Can you believe that? Like, who just gives out free gold?
I love gold!
Right? And it was at Ulta like a long time ago. It was super fantastic and it lasted me forever. It was worth whatever I spent on other products. It actually blends well into your skin, see? It's not all chunky and funky. We're going to open up the palette. Now I'm going to take some lovely shades from here and try them out. The swatches weren't really great. This lighting is something else. But it's life. Life happens, right? I'm going to try to do something with this palette because the swatches weren't up to par, as you've seen. It's just not that great. I don't even know what to do, really. I'm going to take some blue and try that out. Well, you know, maybe the Urban Decay Shadow Primer actually fixed this terrible palette. That is some blue. I think I might go for a Suicide Squad Harley look, so you can see more of the shades instead of just doing one single normal application of color. I wonder if it's blendable. Let me get this brush right here. Oh, this brush is better than this thing. I mean, it makes the application a lot darker, but this will help blend it out. A different brush. Don't use that brush for blending. You will mess up your eye, probably. It's not a blending brush. Oh, I got them on my nose. There's a lot of fallout. Look at that. I have to fix my makeup. Well, it's like really thin. It's like kind of patchy. In some places it's darker than others. That's not good. Not up to par. Oh, I feel like it's very light. I don't know. Let's try this shade right here, the orange red one. Oh, that's not even that great. Definitely more of an orange tone than a red. Oh man. This one's definitely a lot better. If I was doing a cosplay, a true cosplay, I'd be pissed out of my mind. I would want the shadows to be on point. This one, not so much. I'm not really digging this one. I want a true red shade, not no combo shade. It's okay. Came out okay. It doesn't really get any darker than that. Blue one, I can live with the blue one. This one, I don't know. I'm not really feeling that color. It's too warm for my taste. It needs to be brighter. If you're going to do a Harley palette, it needs to be brighter. I'm going to do the green one because Harley's Boo is the Joker, so you have to incorporate him somewhere, right? So we're going to add him, the lovely green shade at the corner here. Kind of looks like mud. With this color combo. But it looks okay by itself a little bit. It's not so green. Not feeling that one. Let's try the purple one over here. A little bit better. It's not. Well, it kind of looks like mud. The green one looks okay on camera, but like in person, it's like iffy. Not feeling the purple. It kind of looks like mud a little bit. Let's try the white one for the highlight. Well, the highlight is pretty good. The white is definitely something. We blend it out into your brow bone, brow area. See, that one is pretty good. I think the best one is the white shade. That's kind of sad. Not really feeling this. I know I did oopsie doopsie with the green over here. I went too far, but yeah. Even the white makes that look better. I don't know, I'm not really feeling the palette. Let's try this dark grayish shade. See if that will be a good eyeliner. Too light for my taste. You know, because some eyeshadows can double as an eyeliner. Will it be too light for even the eye area? Let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit in here just because. Yeah, it's so light. See, even the orange still shows up. So that's like a really thin gray black shade. It's not really gonna do very much. This one is the brown shade that I put right here, and it just blends in basically with the purple, like not too distinct between each one. Someone punched me in the eye. That's what it looks like right here.
Do I have a mark on my face? It really hurts.
Nope, nothing. Jesus, what happened to your face?
Like, I got my ass beat right here. This side, well, a little bit, but mainly this side. This palette is not that great, obviously. It's not going to be part of my everyday makeup routine, which is sad because I do like Harley Quinn and I do like the packaging. The packaging is wonderful. They spent more time on the packaging than on the makeup though, which is really sad and disappointing because she looks amazing right here. You would think that you could do something like that with this, but you can't really do anything with this unless you really like thin makeup, and it's just not all that great. I might give it to Haley to use, you know, to like teach her how to do makeup. Maybe she'll do something with me in the future with it. I don't know. Just, it's not my favorite. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And I didn't realize Jay was sleeping in the background, so if you like Jay sleeping in the background, give it a huge thumbs up. Make a meme out of him over there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those. I look crazy, so I'm getting out of here. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time I'm washing off my face. Oh, bye everyone.
Kinda crazy, she's poison but tasty. People say run.